If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to gaming with friends in no time. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test this by opening a web browser or another online game to see if they work properly. Step 2. Update Steam and games. Make sure that both Steam and your games are updated to the latest versions. Open Steam, go to the library, and check for any available updates for your games. Install any updates that are available. Step 3. Verify game files. Sometimes corrupted game files can cause multiplayer issues. Right-click on the game in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking the game's connection. Check the settings of your firewall and antivirus to ensure that they are not preventing the game from accessing the internet. You may need to add exceptions for the game in Steam. Step 5. Restart the Steam Deck. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your Steam Deck. A simple reboot can often fix connectivity issues and refresh the system, allowing multiplayer to function properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve multiplayer issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Happy gaming!